guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. And today, this is my finished product. I'm going to do a makeup tutorial featuring this Dream St shadow palette from Colourpop. It's a collaboration with Kathleen Lights. So it has 12 wonderful shades. You see that? Yeah. The 12 shades are Shooting Star, Magical, Stardust, Twinkle, Sweet Dreams, Water Better, Potion, Spark, Kaleidoscope, Elfish, Moony, Mermaid Boy. So this is how it look. This is my finished product. So I really made a simple makeup tutorial. Hindi siya yung pack na pang gala. So parang ginawa ko yung super easy na you can just apply it for every day. Yung mga to-go makeup na kapag mamadali ka. So if you want to know how to create this look, just continue watching. So, let's start!
This is my bare face, guys. Huwag kalimutang ipitin ang buhok para hindi siya sagabal. For the primer, I'm using the Benefit Pore Primer. So I just have to put it all over my face. And the foundation that I'll be using is the NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat Liquid Foundation in the shade Soft Beige. I really have dark under eyes, so I will be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Orange Corrector to hide those dark under eyes. For the concealer, I will also be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. It's really important for me to conceal, lalo na yung mga pimple marks, pantal, kasi pantalin ako sa mukha. It's a big no-no. For the pressed powder, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Natural Beige. Para sa pack na kilay, I will be using the Ka-Brow Eyebrow Gel from Benefit. Yung ginagamit ko naman na brush is from Nichido. Doing my brows really takes time kasi sobrang mabusisi ako sa pagkikilay, as in kahit may shape na yung brows ko, I would really make fine lines. So using Maybelline Fashion Brow in the shade Dark Brown. And the most important is to use the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. And for my eye makeup, guys, it will be hard for me to guide you with the shade. So I will just put it in caption. Blending takes time, so let's all be patient in blending. So para mabilis, papantayin ko lang aking eye makeup. For the eyeliner, I will be using the Catrice eyeliner pen. I am using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. This is my favorite ever since kasi it's already waterproof. At dahil mapanga si ate girl, syempre huwag kalimutan mag-contour. And for that, I will be using the BLK Cosmetic Contour Blush and Highlight Palette. So ito, sobrang sulit na kasi tatlo na yung purpose ng palette. So ayan. Kung tamad ka mag-diet, contour ka na lang, girl. At syempre, huwag kalimutan ng nose line. My favorite part is to highlight my face. Ooh, that really works. And for my lipstick, I will be using the NYX Soft Matte Lipstick in the shade Foam. And finally, to set my makeup, I will be using the BYS Setting Spray. And that's it, guys.
if you already have this palette and you already created another look with the 12 shades, you can comment down below so I can see your video. And if you have any suggestions, so don't be shy, just put it down. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And thank you for watching.